I'm going to pull the fire alarm at Park Wodny Perla. Okay, time to run.
What's going on?
Sounds like Stephanie pulled the fire alarm at Park Wodny Perla. Come on, Leon. Let's get out of here.
Okay, back at home. So Stephanie, how is your day going?
It's great.
Let's watch the news. After watching the news, Stephanie, how dare you pull the fire alarm at Park Wodny Perla Keels? Do you know how damage you caused? A lot more than you think. You should know pulling the fire alarm is against the law. That's it. You are grounded for 14,583 months. Now go upstairs to your room right now.